Hi everybody, this is Bonnie and I'm coming to you today with a couple videos. I'm going to be shooting a lot of stuff out there because a lot of stuff's going on in Bonnie's world and in the Stampin' Up! World. So first I want to let you know if there's any barking of a dog's, I'm very sorry. I have a new puppy and my old dog gets skittish. Or if you hear any other noise in the background, I'm in my craft room, which is chilly, so I do have a heater running. So I'm sorry if those are annoying. But on October 3rd is World Card Making Day. So everybody in the world is going to be making cards. And I have planned a in-home and live. I'm going to videotape me doing them live at home with my class that's going to be there if I have people that want to do this from far away. We're going to do this card kit. Now, I was showing you guys these pictures and it just doesn't do it justice. So I wanted to show you, this beautiful box. The box itself is gorgeous, I'm telling you. It's got like, oh, on this side, it goes this way. There's like a little latch here, and if I can get a hold of it, it's got this little latch to unlatch it, and it opens it up, and you get all the supplies, the ribbon, the thread, all the cards are kind of like pre-done. They tell you in the directions here where to add, add your little stuff on with it. And it gives you, full out directions on the back. There's cards where it tells you to pop stuff up. And it just gives you everything that you need. And then you just need this stamp set. Now, if you're online and you can't do this with me, or you don't want to do it alone, get a friend and share the stamp set. And then and share the kit if you want, because you get a lot of cards in here. You get a lot, and you guys can do them together while we're doing them, or you can watch it on the replay and do it then. I mean, this is a wonderful little kit, and I'm excited about it. So I hope that I get some people that can join me online. And as I said, puppy just walked in here. So anyways, this is just a wonderful opportunity. But not only, I know I have some customers already bought this, and I'm very sorry I did not know about this, but the stamp set, Stampin' Up! Is having a 24-hour stamp sale. And it's going to be 15% off on the 23rd only. Now, originally I said that you guys had to order this by the 22nd to get it back in time. I think if we wait one more day, the 23rd, we will still get it back in time for the class. So that way, if you guys want to do this bundle, you can get the stamp set at 15% off. So I'm very excited about this. So, hop on over there and use this hostess code right here, BPCZEZXU. It's good till the 23rd. So use this hostess code and order this and join us. Whether you can join us live on October 3rd or if you want to watch the replay, that is totally fine too. And full disclosure, this will be my first time doing a live with my live class at the workshop. So I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but I'm gonna, there's gonna be chatter and stuff like that. Obviously, it's not gonna be just like me and you guys. But I just wanted to shoot this out there and show you this and hope that you guys will join my class. So if you have any other questions, in the link below is the description box, has my email address and all sorts of different ways that you can contact me. My website's there, bonniescreativeplace.stampinup.net, and you use this hostess code and it's good till the 23rd, and you can get this bundle. This comes separate, so you have to buy this separate, but then you buy this, the stamp set separate, and this you get an extra 15% off it. So I just wanted to let you know on that. So that's why I had to hurry up and get this out there. So I will talk to you guys soon, and I'll be back in a little bit with all the information on the 24-hour sale. Bye-bye.